Make sure y'all visit the website to check out some of our cool outdoor furniture. These are fire pits. Carbondesigns.com. That's carbondesigns.com. We sell planters, fire pits, desks, and tables. And this is a timber nail, fam. We just put some acid on it, and he's actually cleaning it up to get that meal shell up off of it. Big. You can already see some of those colors in that canyon. Coming on up. Carbon Designs, Springdale, Arkansas. Check out the website. We sell planters, fire pits, desks, and tables. Hold on, man.